the Spirit of the Lord would say, "Get ready for the unexpected, unplanned, and sudden moves of the Spirit across the earth." I am pressing fast forward and accelerating many to the realm of extraordinary breakthrough. You will break molds and shatter norms. I am setting your destiny sails, and it will carry you places you never imagined. Although you have planned and prepared for revival and outpouring, what is coming will exceed all that you have prayed. It shall be called overflow. This season in your life will be called restored and elevated. I see the Lord ripping off the labels of everything they said about you and opening doors that are meant for you. I saw Jesus remove tap from your mouth. And He says, "No longer will you be silenced. No longer will you be unheard." The enemy tried many tactics to snuff you out and keep you low, but Jesus is lifting you to your rightful position. You shall be restored and elevated to your destiny in Jesus' name. Type yes if you believe.